So today we'll look at the quick process of upgrading from a standard Leaf Eater Advanced to put the Leaf Eater Advanced hood in place. Now, out of the box, the Leaf Eater Advanced hood upgrade screen comes with the hood and its own screen. So your existing Leaf Eater Advanced on the wall will have its screen in place. We need to simply remove that just by lifting up. Take that away, and then we'll install the screen that comes with the hood. To do that, we just simply place it above and just drop it down. It takes a little bit of a push just to get it onto the rain head body, and that's in place. The second step is to fit the hood. Now, we have 90mm downpipe here on this installation, or if you're using 3-inch downpipe, there's no need to change the top of the hood, it'll fit straight on. If you're using 100mm pipe or 4-inch pipe, we just need to trim this little section out through these perforations just to make that inlet a little bit larger, and then that will fit straight onto those downpipes. So to get that hood in place, we simply just hook it under the upper section of pipe until that pipe goes in, slide it up a little bit, and then just drop it down into place onto the rain head. And that's all set up and ready to go.